All right, quick glam on Tuesday. I have a showcase tonight, but before I leave, I want to do a quick unboxing. So here we go. I found this on sale last week and I could not wait. Now, over the holidays, I do my end of the year buyouts and like, let's try this brand. Let's see if I like it. So I have a few pieces from Kate Spade that I absolutely love. And the other day I was bored and I was on there and I was like, this is cute. This is a new flare I've never done before. So here we are. This is a Kate Spade purse we are about to unveil. Whew, I think I'm gonna wear it tonight. I think it'll go perfectly with my outfit. So, do you ever catch those Kate Spade sales? Because some of that stuff, I'm just like, ooh, I ain't waiting for that to go down in price because I am cheap. And here we are. Here it is. The big unveil once I get all of this wrapper off of it. And there's a lot of it. There's a lot. That's what editing's for, because I could just fast forward till I unveil it. But here she is. It is a cute tiger stripe. And it's textured. Look at that cloth on it. Oh my goodness. It has all of the things in it. We'll get that in a minute. Thankfully, trash goes out tomorrow. But yes, look at this. Here we go. It is a Tiger Jacquard wallet on chain. And it also has these cool little hooks here that you can just adjust it to the length that you want to tote it in. It has two hooks. Let's see. Let's see how it is right here. Good. Well, definitely once it connects, it stays on. Jeez. Here we go. Super cute. Look at that. Oh, I'm definitely wearing this tonight. So this is the Jacquard Tiger wallet on chain from Kate Spade. You have a little zipper part here and your little wallet compartments there with another storage piece here. Very cute. I love the textured look and this is gonna be really cute with my outfit. So I'm off to do a showcase and I will see you all soon. Take care.